Okay, everyone, we're going to talk today about working out a minor key. Now, it sounds terrifying, actually, and it was the thing when I was doing theory that I most panicked about. So, if I said to you, I would like you to write me the scale of A minor, if you're anything like me, the first thing you do is have a little bit of a panic and a bit of a spin around and think, oh, I can't do this. But actually, what I have learnt in my many years of teaching music is that actually it's not that difficult at all. And if you follow these simple rules, you'll get it no problem. So, first of all, I've asked you for A minor. The first thing you're going to do is work out its relative major, because that gives you loads of information. So, to do that, you count up 3 semitones. Count up 3 semitones. So remember, a semitone is the very next door note. So you're going to start with A, and you're going to go, oh, A to A sharp, or B flat, is 1. A sharp to B is 2. B to C is 3. Therefore, the relative major of A minor is C major. Now, then I've asked you for the scale. So there are 2 ways of doing this, and we're going to talk harmonic scales today. So, here we go. We're doing the treble clef. You first of all write out your scales. So you're going to write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now, let's start with harmonic scales. In a harmonic scale, you use the key signature of the relative major. Now, we know that C major has no sharps and no flats. So in the key signature, there is nothing. Okay? And then you are simply, for the harmonic scale, going to sharpen the 7th note. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is a G. It becomes a G sharp. That sharpened 7th never goes into the key signature. It always goes next to the note because it's an accidental. It is not part of the scale, okay? Of the key signature, of the relative major. So you then, for a harmonic scale, you do the same descending as you do ascending. So the sharpened 7th remains there, that G sharp. So on the way back down, you would go A, G sharp, F. Now, do not make the mistake that some people make. Some people go, oh, I'm going to write the scale descending. So let me draw you a stave here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me draw you a descending scale. D, C, B, A. Some people go, oh, I've got to sharpen the 7th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are not sharpening this. You always count 7 from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is your G sharp. Okay? So harmonic descending will have the same note as harmonic ascending. Okay? Now, grade 3 and upwards, it gets a little bit more tricky. You have to know about melodic minor scales. So, same thing, on the way up and down, you use the key signature of the relative major. If we stay with A minor at the moment, okay, that means that we are looking at the relative major being C major, nothing in the key signature. So again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now, in the melodic minor scale, you sharpen the 6th and the 7th notes when you are ascending. Okay, so you count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 becomes an F sharp, 7 becomes a G sharp. Okay, now, there is a slight problem, because you have something else to remember. When you are descending in the melodic minor scale, you are in the key signature of the relative major only. So in A minor, that means that you don't put in any accidentals at all. Okay? Right, let's move on. Let me get another piece of paper. Here we go. Let's do a slightly trickier one. Let me ask you to do F sharp minor. Okay. Now, the first thing you have to do is what? Yeah, you work out the relative major. So, you start on F sharp. F sharp to G is 1. G to G sharp is 2. G sharp to A is 3 semitones. So, it is related to A major. Now, If you can't remember what's an A major, do your counting up 5 because it's got sharps in it. Okay, if it was a flat major, it would be A flat major. It hasn't got a flat in the title, so you know it's got sharps in it. So count up 5. You know C major has got nothing. So C, D, E, F, G major has 1 sharp. G, A, B, C. D major has 2 sharps. D, E, F, G. A major has 3 sharps. Okay, and Father Christmas gave. So F, C, and G. So we'll start with the harmonic minor first of all. Okay, you are doing F sharp harmonic minor, remember? So it starts on an F sharp. Do not get confused. Do not think, oh, it's related to A major, so it starts on an A. It doesn't. It's F sharp minor. So let's do F sharp harmonic minor first. The first thing you need to do is put in your key signature. So it has the key signature of A major. Sometimes you might be asked to do it without a key signature. You would just then put the sharps next to the correct notes, okay? So F sharp minor, so F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F, okay? Now ascending, what do you need to do in a harmonic minor scale? Yep, you need to sharpen 7th notes. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now an E sharp is actually sounds the same as an F natural, okay? And descending, you would do exactly the same. Okay, so count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and E sharp. Okay, so that is F sharp harmonic minor, ascending and descending. Now then, if we do F sharp melodic minor, can you remember how it is different? We'll do this one without key signature so you can see the difference. So you might be asked in an exam to write it out without the key signature. Okay, 4, 5. Okay, key sig. So we'll do it treble clef again. So the first thing you're going to do, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then we'll write in the descending scale as well. F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F. Now, okay, the first thing you need to do is put in your sharps for your key signature. So again, it is related to A major, so it needs an F sharp, a G sharp, a C sharp. Now, do not forget to put that F sharp at the top. That is really important. Now, we'll do ascending first. So you've got your key signature written in. You also have to sharpen what? Yep, you're right. It is the 6th and the 7th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so F sharp melodic minor suddenly goes from looking okay to looking a little bit ouchy, but actually it's not so bad. Now, that is ascending. So again, ascending, you have sharpened 6 and 7. Okay, then on your descending, you just use the key signature of the relative major. So you know that it has got an F sharp, a C sharp, a G sharp, but you also need to remember that bottom F sharp as well. Okay, now because it is a melodic minor, you only use the key signature of the relative major. Okay, do not add in your 6s and your 7s. Okay, right. Hopefully that makes sense. If you want to watch this and then do yours alongside it might help. Similarly, if you need help, you only have to ping me an email. All right, good luck.